Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Tor browser on Kali Linux 2024. By default, browser comes with Kali Linux is Firefox. So we don't have the Tor. Let me search in applications. See, we don't have the Tor. Okay. So first we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update. Okay, next install the Tor browser. See, we have two options. One, by going to Tor official website and download. Let me show you that. Go to Tor project.org. Tor is used to browse privately and explore freely. Okay, so click on this download Tor browser. Then we have to select download for Linux. This is the one way, and another way is by running the sudo apt install Tor browser -launcher and hit enter. Type Y for confirmation and hit enter. See, it is installing the version 0.3.7. Okay. See, it is success. Go to applications, then search for Tor. See here, the first one, that is Tor browser. Click on it. Downloading Tor browser first time. Okay. Wait until this download completes. Maximize this one. See, always connect automatically. You have to check this one. Otherwise, every time you need to click on connect. So check this always connect automatically and click on connect. Wait, it is connecting. See, the default search engine it is using is DuckDuckGo. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install Tor browser on Kali Linux 2024. For more Kali Linux videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.